Hey guys. In this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best tension curtain rods available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. 1. Room Dividers Now Premium Tension Curtain Rod. If you are looking to hang heavy curtains in your windows, you should require something that comes with stiff springs. An excellent example of that would be this one from Room Dividers Now. It comes in 4 different sizes. You can choose from 28 inches, 48 inches, 80 inches, and lastly, 120 inches. There is something for all sizes of windows and rooms. Apart from the options in the case of size, you will also have 4 different options in the case of the coating. You will be able to choose from silver, gold, black, and white. 2. Zena Home Satin Nickel Never Rust Rustproof Aluminum Tension. It is important to have a little privacy while showering in the case of open shower rooms. So, if you are looking for something that will let you hang curtains around your bathtub, you should have a look into this one from Zena Home. First of all, the unit is of aluminum, which means that they will not only be durable but also are going to be free from rust and corrosion. You will not have to deal with any sort of drilling. That means your walls will be free of holes, and the overall aesthetic will not deteriorate. 3. Amazer Spring Tension Curtain Rod. Shower curtain rods have the risk of getting rusted over time because being exposed to moisture and splashes of water. Therefore, getting something that has a rust-resistant coating can extend the overall functionality period. And this one from Amazer is one of those units. All the sizes can extend to about 30 to 40 inches, which makes these extremely flexible. You will be able to choose from bronze, black, white, chrome, nickel, and red. Besides that paint coating, these are featured with a special coating that resists rust and corrosions. 4. Amazon Basics Tension Shower Doorway Curtain Rod. In the case of shower or window curtain rods, the ones that do not require any sort of brackets are the ones that are easiest to install. If you are looking for such a unit, you should have a look into this one from Amazon Basics. Keeping the tabs up with all the other available options, it also comes in 4 different sizes. Other than that, these come in 5 different color options too: black, bronze, chrome, nickel, and white. 5. BRIOFOX Tension Curtain Rod. Not all the tension curtain rods can handle the load that is exerted by heavier curtains. If you are looking for one that can, you should put this one from BRIOFOX into your consideration. With this, it will be able to take the loads of curtains that are up to 30 pounds. The unit is extremely durable too. It sports a construction of heavy-duty stainless steel. Because of this, these are quite sturdy and will not drop or sag in the middle. It offers 5 different color options. There is matte nickel, chrome, bronze, matte black, and matte white. All the matte options look sleek, and the chrome metallic ones are well polished.